Toolbox tour. MaxMe. Had it now for about a month. Used it on an Infinity. Really wasn't that impressed, but I probably just need some more time to get used to it. Soulless Edge. Really love this. It's surprisingly good. Got the new update on it, the 15.4, which actually does forward security relearns and all that good stuff after a repair. Vantage Pro. I don't want to spill this drink while I'm doing this, but I'm doing this video because techs, you know, we like to see shit like this. So, you know, I like getting online and watching toolbox tours. So I'm gonna do my own toolbox tour. It's a Snap-on KRL 1022. Really nice box. Parts washer. My transmission jack. Fluid evacuator. My jump box. Battery charger. This is a vacuum filler that I'm giving back to Cornwell. I don't like him. And the reason I don't like Cornwell is because I had a wrench that broke on me. And when the wrench broke, Cornwell told me that I had to wait 3 to 4 weeks to get a new one. So I'm giving him all this shit back because I don't have time for that. You know, just don't have time to wait for shit like that. It's my top drawer. It's like all sockets and shit. Triple square, Torx, Audi axles, Torx bit, standard 1/4 inch, semi-deep, 1/4 inch, semi-deep, 6-point metric, Snap-on, inverted Torx here, Snap-on. These are my 3/8 drive, 6-point flank drive sockets, shallow, same deal, deep. Here are some, it's a 15, 16, and then some swivels, and they all Snap-on. These are neat here for shock absorbers, holding the top in while you're spinning the nut off. Axle nut sockets in the back, a O2 sensor socket, and a semi-unit socket. It's right here. These are my 1/2 inch deep metric sockets, my 1/2 inch impact swivels. That's all Snap-on. This is Cornwell right here. The twist sockets going from size, what size is this? 3/8 to, I think this is the 19, yeah, 19 millimeter, and a bunch of shit in between. This is my wheel nut flip sockets. It's Blue Point. Oil filter sockets here. But when I get one of those bullshit ass oil changes that I hate fucking doing, it's a nifty little tool here on a lot of Hondas and stuff to open up that axle nut without damaging the threads. I mean, you don't have to have this, but this works perfectly for something like that. These are extra shallow sockets, max access. These are Snap-on. It came with a ratchet. This is a pneumatic 3/8 drive air ratchet. This is a lithium powered 3/8 drive ratchet. It's a lithium powered 1/2 inch. Next is some of my wrenches. Combination flank drive. Some of my tie rod end poppers, ball joint poppers. There, adjustable wrench there. These are all my wrenches. All these are snap-on. I got some of the ratchet and wrenches. These are all snap-on. And I got some of these performance spline wrenches. And I got some of these extra long 72 tooth flex ratchet and wrenches. Those are made by Matco. And I got some standard Blue Point combination wrenches. They're not flank drive. Flank simply refers to this tooth here. Allows you to grip it at an extra point. Looks small, but makes a huge difference. Huge difference. Serpentine belt tool is snap-on. Bits for it. Striking bars or pry bars, whatever you want to call them. Here, got my pliers and shit. Blue Point, Matco, Cornwell, Matco, Cornwell, and the rest of everything else to snap on. I got this from Cornwell. Screwdrivers, picks, a few air hammer tools up there. Bent this. I actually need to get this back to him. Snap on. Impact driver. I think it's like perfectly for removing rotor screws. Works perfectly. Orifice tool. It's a fuel tank locking ring tool. Left-handed drill set. Big wrenches. 33 up to 50. And here, I got more shit. These were timing belts. This stuff right here. Brake piston press. Digital tire inflator. Dead blow hammer. Another brake tool. This a low profile, heavy duty Pitman on popper for the GM 1500 stuff. You can use it on some other stuff too. Fuel injection kit. Here I got tap and die set, infrared thermometer, master line disconnect set, a ball joint tool for Subarus. Cooling pressure set, cooling system pressure tester, and a tie rod tool. This is Blue Point. Works very well. And what you could do, you could put these in and lock it so that it doesn't move while you're trying to remove it. On some of the cheaper ones, the first one I had, that thing would fucking move around and it was a hassle. Bottom drawer, got pneumatic fan clutch, cooling system filler, the vacuum one. I'm snap-on master, ball joint press, my power probe, my Matco broken spark plug tool for the Ford engines and shit. You know how those trailers can be. injector harness test kit. Make sure they got power there, they light up. Pressure gauge back here, snap on. Paperwork, pins, some ratchets, extensions. It's all snap-on shit. That's where I keep my scan tools and shit at. And here I got this tire plug kit. And this thing is like, I fucking love this thing. I mean, this thing is like the shit. Love it. Shout out to Blackjack, man. This is an awesome fucking tool here. Send me some money, Blackjack. I'm sure a lot of people don't even know about this shit. This is the shit. Shout out to Blackjack once again. It's an awesome fucking tool. It's my air hammer. It's a Matco. It's actually pretty badass. It's a nasty gun, I'll admit. It hits harder than my Snap-on one, or the Snap-on one that I traded in. It's a pulley puller, GM and Chrysler shit. It's my fuel, my stethoscope, and I need that. Looking for it. A piece of my stethoscope. This is my Snap-on fuel induction service tool. It also works as a fuel pressure gauge, which is saw in the other drawer. I got one of those. So that's my toolbox tour, man.